here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have my June update for Alice in Wonderpan. This was a project created by Allie, who is Wonder in Allieland here on YouTube. We started this on March 5th and this year, and it goes to March 4th, 2023. She has a list of prompts and you choose as many that you want to start with. Set your own goals in its rolling style. So I've currently been working on way more than I thought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've been working on 8 products, which is a lot. So there are 3 of them that I won't be able to show you any progress on, but let's just get started. I think Rob just got home actually. Okay, so let me talk you through progress, uses, etc. We're going to start with first one, which was Alice, a childlike product, scent, flavor, packaging, etc. I brought in this. This is the Rare Beauty Mini Blush in Hope. And my goal is to finish this. I've used it 6 times since the last update for a total of 12 times. It's really pretty. You're not going to be able to see any windowing or anything. I use this a lot. It's a very beautiful blush. I really wish Selena would bring out all of her blushes, these blushes in these little sizes, because they're just so easy to use. And as you guys know, if you've been following me, my big one went off. But if you watched Partners in Cream if you watch Partners in Cream later in the week, you'll see what happened. Okay, next we have Off With Her Head. That's my Not Your Mother's Scalp Scrub. I mentioned in another video that I haven't been able to do like my full routine because our shower's been broken. It's fixed. We have to wait. It got fixed yesterday, so I'm filming this on the 7th. It was fixed on the 6th. We have to wait until at least the 9th for the glass guys to come put the glass back in, and we have to cross our fingers that it fits. And once that happens, I can get back into my normal routine. So fingers crossed that can happen. But as of right now, I don't have any use on it. Painting the roses red, I had brought in the Ulta Tinted Lip Jelly rather than a red nail polish. I'm not rolling that up and tracking that, so once it's finished, then we'll talk about it again. Next, why sometimes I believed as many 6 impossible things before breakfast. A product with an impossible goal, and Lord have mercy on my soul. This is an impossible goal. This is the Mora bronzer. My goal is to wear off the pattern. Does that even look like I've used it? Does that look like I've used it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 times since the last update for a total of 20 times? No, it doesn't at all. In fact, I'll probably end up hitting pan in the center before I wear off the pattern. So my new goal is either hit pan or wear off the pattern. We'll see. It's lovely. It's a really beautiful bronzer, especially if you like to be glowy. This is a number 2 Golden Glow. I've enjoyed all of the face products I've tried from Mora so far. They're the ones that have the ombre blushes. Their highlighter is really pretty. So you can't go wrong with their brand. I wasn't in love with their powder eyeshadows, but I've been working on their cream eyeshadows in 50 Shades of Green, and these are beautiful too. These are their Lucent. And they have neutrals, not just these bright colors. So yeah, that's sticking around. Next was one I completely forgot to talk about. Tweedledum and Tweedledum, a product you have a duplicate or a backup of. I had brought in this. This is the Flower Concealer. I actually have 2 more backups, but I ended up using this up and never even mentioned it to you guys. And it has a sticker. It's had a sticker, so I don't know what my damage was. I didn't scrape this all out. Wait, did I take out the stopper? I can't remember. Anyway, I didn't scrape this all out. I have 2 more in it, and then I have 52 other concealers, but I actually kind of enjoyed this. It's a little too emollient, so I have to use just the littlest amount, but it's gone. Hallelujah. Another goal met. Next, it's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. A product you won't repurchase when you're finished with it. I brought in this. This is the Makeup Revolution Line Fix Under Eye Primer. I use this. I just don't like it. I don't like it so much. I just dropped the lid. This is just third-party primer marketed as something else. This is just not good. I don't like it. You guys know I didn't have any success with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This doesn't do anything to smooth my under eyes. I have a different product that I'm using that is working so much better. So this is going to end up being a declutter. I hate that I can't give it away, but it is what it is. Again, it's just the e.l.f. It's just their Putty Primer put in different packaging. It has to be. It has to be. Okay, so that goal is met. Next is We're All Mad Here, a product that drives another painter crazy, and a shout out to that painter. Danny had sent me that little milk blush stick and I decluttered it. So, and I think that actually just went in the trash. I don't think I kept it or anything. It was just not, and number one, I couldn't roll it up. It wasn't good. And I was like, why am I even torturing myself with this just for a prompt and a project? So I went ahead and decluttered that. So what I've decided to do, let's talk about the last one and then we'll talk about what I decided to do. Next was Not All Who Wander Are Lost, a product you discovered by accident. I mentioned I found these Jake Jamie watermelon patches. As of the last update, I've used them 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 for a total of 24. So I think I should have 6 more pairs left. So just about. I'm calling this an empty because these will be done probably by the end of next week. And there's no reason to, keep these going until we get to the next update. So what I've decided to do, because this is a year-long project, we're only 3 months in, and I finished almost half the prompts. Going forward with this project, if I get through all the prompts, I'm gonna start all over, and that will be how we do it, because I don't want to end this project super early, but I'm making really good progress. You guys are all like, I don't know how you make so much progress with all the projects you're doing, and honestly, I don't know either. The only thing I can think of is because I have a notebook, I make sure I'm rotating through things, and a lot of stuff depends on what goes on my eyes. Like the blush depends on what goes on my eyes, my lips depend on what goes on my eye. The rest of it are just face products that I just rotate through. So yeah. So we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh Jesus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am going to bring up pretty random on my phone. Should have already done it, but I didn't. I don't know that I mentioned in this video that I am just not at my peak performance today. Ready? How many am I going to bring in? Did I say? We'll bring in 3. So 4, 5, 10. So 10, why is a raven like a writing desk? A gimme product. 4, White Rabbit, a product you were late buying. And then number 5, Curiouser and Curiouser, a product that you use for a purpose other than what it's intended for. Let me go find these and I will be right back. Okay, I do think I forgot to tell you that my numbers would be different. So, okay, so let's start. White Rabbit, a product you were late buying. I'm going to bring in this. This is a Fenty Gloss Bomb in, I can't read it. Fenty Glow. This is one of their minis. I believe I got this in a set. So my goal is going to be to finish this. I've never used one. I have a cream that maybe I've used, but it's just a nude lip gloss and my goal is to finish. So yeah. Next, Curiouser and Curiouser, a product that you use for a purpose other than what it's intended for. I'm going to bring in this. This is the NYX Duochromatic Highlighter in something. But this highlighter is deep. Actually, this highlighter would go beautiful with this look today. This is what it looks like. And I bought this to use as an eyeshadow because I knew it would not fit on my skin as a highlighter. Look at that. And I need a new eyeshadow, like I need a hole in the head, but we're going to put this in for 10 uses. It'll probably take me a hot minute, but I've rolled some new shades into my Beauty A to Z. hopefully that update has gone up. If it hasn't, look for it later in the week. I just updated that at the first of the month, but I've done a thing and yeah, we'll talk about it. So this is in for 10 uses. Yep. Next, for Why is a Raven Like a Writing Desk, a gimme product, I'm bringing in this. This is my Good Molecules Yerba Mate Eye Gel. This is a gimme product because I use it every single morning. It's their caffeinated eye cream, and I find that it really works. I use it under my eyes, and I use it on like in this area right here where my eyelids kind of like the part over my eye droops a little bit. It does seem to tighten it. So my goal is going to be to finish that. So in this, we have the Hope blush to finish, Mora bronzer to either hit pan or wear off the pattern. We are bringing in the highlighter for 10 uses, the gloss bomb to finish, and the eye to finish. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you're having a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Pippi Longstocking coming into your town.